then you are paying a mosquito company $60, $80, sometimes over $100 a month all summer long to spray a chemical fog around your fence line. That's $400 to $600 a season. For bugs, I'm going to show you a 2-ingredient combo that costs about $12, lasts you the entire season, and doesn't force you to keep your kids and dogs off the lawn for 48 hours after every treatment. But before I show you the fix, you need to understand how we got tricked in the first place. Because this isn't a coincidence. This is design. For decades, the pest control industry sold you one idea. Mosquitoes are an air problem. Fog the air, kill the mosquitoes. And that's why you see trucks driving down your street spraying mist into the sky. Here's what they don't lead with. The adult mosquitoes flying around your yard are the symptom. The actual mosquito is being manufactured right now in a bottle cap of rainwater sitting in your gutter, your flower pot saucer, or your kid's forgotten bucket. One female mosquito can lay over 100 eggs in a teaspoon of standing water, and they hatch in about a week. Spraying the air and ignoring the water source is like mopping a floor while the pipe is still leaking. That's not pest control. That's conditioning, training you to pay for a temporary fog instead of a permanent fix. The real solution needs almost nothing. 2 raw materials. One targets the source, one protects the perimeter. That's it, material one. Mosquito dunks, or the granular version called mosquito bits. Summit brand. You'll find them at Home Depot, Walmart, or Amazon for around $5 to $12 depending on the size. This is not a chemical. It's a naturally occurring soil bacterium called Bti. Here's the physics of it. Mosquito larvae have an unusually alkaline gut, almost unique in the insect world. Bti only activates in that specific alkaline environment. It punches microscopic holes in the larva's gut lining and it dies. Your dog's stomach, your cat's stomach, your kid's stomach, all acidic. The toxin never switches on. It is biologically incapable of harming a mammal material too. Oil of lemon eucalyptus, sold as whole. Not the essential oil, the refined version with the active compound PMD, paramethane 3,8-diol. This is the only plant-derived repellent the EPA has actually registered and the CDC actually recommends because in field studies it's performed close to DEET level protection. A 4-ounce bottle runs about $10 to $12 on Amazon. Mixed with witch hazel as a carrier and a few drops of dish soap as a surfactant, so it clings to leaves instead of beating off, you get a perimeter spray that disrupts the scent trail mosquitoes use to find you. Pfizings doesn't negotiate. One material kills the source, one breaks the tracking signal. That's the whole system. Step 1. Walk your property once and find every place water can collect for more than 4 days. Gutters, saucers, tarps, old tires, bird baths. Drop 1 mosquito dunk into anything you can't drain, like a rain barrel or a pond. For puddly areas, sprinkle the granular bits directly into the soil. This is the step almost everyone's in, and it's the actual reason their yard spray stops working after 2 weeks. You didn't stop the spray from working, you just never touched the nursery making new mosquitoes. Step 2, the perimeter spray. Combine 1 part OLE oil, 3 parts witch hazel, and a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. Shake it, it will separate, that's normal. Oil and water don't mix without the soap holding them together. Now the insider rule, spray the foliage, not the skin. Target the shaded, low shrubs and mulch beds where adult mosquitoes actually rest during the day, not your kids or your dog directly. Mosquitoes hide in shade far more than they fly in open sun. Hitting their resting spots does more work than misting the whole yard. Timeline of results. The butt starts killing larvae within 24 hours, but you won't feel the difference in adult mosquito pressure for about 1 to 2 weeks, because that's how long the current adult population takes to die off naturally. After that, if you keep the dunks in place, the breeding cycle stays broken. Not instant. Permanent, you might be wondering, is any of this actually going to hurt my pets? Here's the honest answer, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it like the bottle labels do. But dunks are genuinely safe. They're approved for use in water that livestock and wildlife drink because the toxin literally cannot activate outside an alkaline mosquito gut. The perimeter spray needs one real caution. Cats specifically lack the liver enzyme that breaks down concentrated essential oil compounds, so keep cats off wet foliage until it dries, and never spray a pet directly with any essential oil blend, including this one. That's not fear-mongering, that's the same caution the ASPCA gives for concentrated plant oils generally. Used on the yard as directed, it's a different story than dousing an animal in it. Compare that to what the professional foggers use. Synthetic pyrethroids like permethrin or bifenthrin. Those are broad spectrum. They don't just kill mosquitoes, they kill bees, and they've been shown to cause seizures in cats after direct contact, which is why most services tell you to keep pets off the lawn for 1 to 2 days after every visit. You're not protecting your yard. You're quarantining your own family from your own yard once a month, all summer. Let's do the math one more time. Then, a mosquito misting subscription runs you $400 to $600 over a season, and you still can't let the dog out for 2 days after every spray. A box of Dunks and a bottle of OLE oil costs about $12, lasts the whole season, and you can walk on your lawn the second it dries. A $12 fix that permanently solves the problem isn't a business model. It's a business ending. If this saves you money, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this video to other people getting ripped off. Next time, I'm exposing the $8 bottle of wood polish that's just mineral oil and lemon extract. And the actual finished trick furniture stores don't want you to know. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.